Hey everyone, Stanley here, and I'm talking really, really quiet right now. That's because I'm in another abandoned house with a really weird kitchen layout here. But the reason I'm talking so quiet is because there's a house right over there. And there's another smoke alarm that's going off at the moment. But yes, no, I kind of want to be super quiet so that I don't attract a lot of attention. First of all, look at that clock. That is magnificent. Wired into the wall though, so I hope that doesn't fall. I'll go up these stairs into the kitchen, which is really, really weird. And kind of get really low to the ground in a very unflattering position, and then try to... crap. Yeah, that's right. I'll get back to here in just a moment. Okay, that was easy. So on the other side of the kitchen, we have more windows where anyone could easily see me. And we have some old outlets over there, which is dark apparently, which is really cool. And this big room, that's pretty cool. I'll go up there in a bit, and there's that bloody smoke alarm. And in here as well, we got a bedroom. Very nice. And some things are making weird sounds in this. But I guess we'll go upstairs now, since wait. Oh. Looks like there's a basement here. I guess I'll go there first. I don't know why it's so dark in the video. It's not even that dark in real life. But I like the color of the walls here. Looks like it's pretty darn empty. Okay. That's some cool looking tile work. And it's... how cool. Anyway, on to upstairs. Okay, so we're upstairs now. And there's more smoke alarms. This house is loaded with smoke alarms. And there are 4 bedrooms in here, as you can tell. That's pretty interesting. I think this one's the nicest though, because it has this big 3 triple window kind of thing. It's pretty cool. You can actually see the bike path from there. Got this room. Pretty cool. This room is pretty crappily painted, if you ask me. Oh boy. And oh, there's an old outlet there. We got this room, which with stickers on the wall. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. And before we go to the 3rd story, I must say this washroom, it just has the strangest floor tiling I've ever seen, and the most disgusting color bathtub as well. So that's interesting. But anyway, the best part is the 3rd story, because not only are there more smoke alarms, but it's really warm up here, apparently. Look at that. Oh, how nice. And there's a lamp there for some reason. Jeez Louise. The floor is very creaky though. Yeah, we got a couple rooms over there which are like kind of closets, like maybe this was the master bedroom. I guess that would explain the lamp over here. That is a very nice lamp. Well, yeah, I guess this went quite quickly. I mean, I guess, in all honesty, I kind of want to get through this quickly before it gets dark and it, not only is it hard to film, but it's horribly creepy. But I guess that'll do it for this. So before I get outside, I'll cut to, not a musical montage, maybe like something weird, like something with the lamp, maybe. Also, before I go, you can see this house was really close to the bridge here. So anyway, I guess this will finish this video. It's quite short for such a big house, I know, but it was kind of empty, so there wasn't much to talk about, But anyway, so as we end this episode of I don't know. But anyway, this has been Stanley427. I'll see you all next time.